Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department 8 RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today multiprocessor system. Multiprocessor system हमारा क्या है? Multiprocessor system is used in operating system to boost the performance of multiple CPU within a single computer system. मीन्स मल्टीपल प्रोसेसर हमारा एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है जो बूट्स करता है परफॉर्मेंस को मल्टीपल सीपीयू को विद इन अ सिंगल कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. अ मल्टी प्रोसेसर सिस्टम इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसेसर बट टुगेदर इन innovative way to improve the performance speed of computer hardware. The main features of this architecture is to provide high speed at low cost in comparison to uniprocessor. Multiprocessor operating systems aim to support high performance through multiple CPU. इसका मेन जो हमारा पर्पस है क्या है, इसका मल्टी प्रोसेसर का ये ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का इसका एम है, ये सपोर्ट करता है हमारी हाई परफॉर्मेंस को थ्रू मल्टीपल सीपीयू के. इन इम्पोर्टेंट गोल्स इज टू मेक द नंबर ऑफ सीपीयू ट्रांसपेरेंट टू द एप्लीकेशन. अचीविंग such transparency is relatively easy because the communication between different part of application use the same primitives in multitasking uniprocessor operating systems. Multiprogramming is more appropriate to describe this concept, which is implemented mostly in software, whereas multiprocessing is more appropriate to describe the use of multiple hardware CPU. The multiprocessor system is generally characterized by increased system throughput and application speed up parallel processing. Throughput and application speed up. Throughput can be improved in time sharing environment by executing a number of unrelated user processor and different processor in parallel. As a result, a large number of different tasks can be completed in unit of time without split user directions. Application speed up is possible by creating a multiple processor scheduled to work on different processors. Processor coupling. Multiple processor systems have more than one processing unit sharing memory per parallel device. They have greater computing power and higher reliability. Multiple processor systems are classified into two parts, that is defined as tightly coupled and loosely coupled. Tightly coupled system, each processor is assigned a specific duty but processor work in close association possibility sharing one memory module. Tightly coupled multiprocessor system contain multiple CPU that are connected at the bus level. Mainframe system within multiple processors are often tightly coupled. Tightly coupled systems perform better and are physically smaller than loosely coupled systems, but have historically required greater initial investment and may tightly coupled systems tend to be much more energy efficient than cluster. This is due to the fact that considerable be realized by designing components to work together from the beginning in tightly coupled system. Loosely coupled system. Loosely coupled multiple processor system, often referred to as cluster, are based on multiple standalone single or dual processor competitive computer interconnected via high speed communication system. A Linux nodes in a loosely coupled system are usually inexpensive. Computer can be resolved as independent mechanism upon retirement from the cluster. Multiprocessor interconnections. Bus oriented system, crossbar connected system, hypercubes, multi-stage switch based system. That is defined in this diagram. बस oriented multiprocessor interconnection P1, P2, P3 and P4. ये क्या कर रहे हैं, मेमोरी को शेयर कर रही हैं. Processor and memory are connected by a common bus. Communication between processor P1, P2, P3 and P4 are with globally shared memory is possible over a shared bus. Disadvantage. The above architecture are given rise to a problem of connection tensions and the 2 points are the shared bus and the other is shared memory. Two ways to overcome. कैसे along with the shared memory, कैसे associated with the each individual processor. Techniques which can be employed to decrease the impact of bus and memory. Wide bus technique, split request replay protocols. Wider bus techniques. A bus is made wider so that more bytes can be transferred in a single bus cycle. In other words, a wider parallel bus increases the bandwidth by transforming more bytes in a single bus cycle. Split request replay protocol. The memory requests are Reply are split into two individual work and are treated as separate bus. Processor requests to block the bus release to other user. Meanwhile, it takes for memory to fetch and assemble the related group of items. Other schemes. Individual processor may or may not have private cache memory. Individual processor may or may not attach with input-output device. Input-output device may be attached to shared bus. Shared memory implemented in the form of multiple physical bank connected to the shared bus.